Hello my friends, Enrique here, and today we're going to see how to activate GodMode in Windows 10 and 11. But before we start, what the heck is GodMode in Windows? Well, the GodMode menu, or as the real name that it is, Windows Master Control Panel shortcut, what this does is quick access to all of the tweakable settings in Windows. And let me show you right now how to set it up and how to use it. Right-click anywhere empty on your desktop, go into New, and create a new folder. Now, once you have created your folder, you want to copy and paste the characters that I'm going to let you in the description down below. Paste them, and now you want to click Enter, and this is Windows GodMode. And once it's open, you're going to see that right here you have all the settings that you can tweak and change inside of Windows 10 or 11. That is a lot faster. That, for example, if you want to go right-click into the Start button, go into Settings, and right here search for the setting that you want, that sometimes you have to go into 1, 2, or 3, or even 4 menus to have to find it. Well, you will have everything right here. And another option that this is really great. Let's say that you change often your power plan. So you want to take the Choose Power Plan option, and you want to scroll it into the desktop, and now you're going to have easy access to that option already from your desktop. This is really a game changer, especially if you go to the settings a lot of the time to make some tweaks inside of Windows. Now, if you don't use the options anymore and you want to remove them, all that you have to do is to take this, throw it in the recycle bin, and the same you can do with GodMode. Simply move it to the recycle bin. That is pretty much it. Now go and enjoy the power that gives you GodMode in Windows. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like, and if you're new to the channel, a subscriber is always more than welcome. Thanks for watching my friends, and like always, see you in the next time. Bye bye!